Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem where Instagram filters are not showing up, missing or not loading. If your filters disappeared, don't worry. I will show you all the working fixes. So let's begin. First, you need to check your camera permissions. For that, go to Settings. Scroll down and find this option called Apps and tap on it. Now use the search icon at the top right and search Instagram. Tap Permissions and make sure camera, microphone, photos and videos are enabled. To enable it, you simply need to tap on it and tap Allow. Let's go a few steps back and try clearing cache for Instagram as well. For that, on the app info section for Instagram, scroll down and go to Storage. And here tap Clear Cache at the bottom right. Do not clear data. It apparently locks you out. Another fix can be updating Instagram. For that, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. And here simply search for Instagram and tap Update. Filters require loading effects from the server, so consider checking internet connection as well. For that, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and try turning airplane mode on and off. And you can also try restarting your router. Another fix can be to log out and log back in. For that, open your Instagram. Now tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on this three-line menu icon at the top right. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and tap log out and then log in again. Some filters are restricted in certain regions, so you can try installing a VPN. I would like to recommend you to use a USA server, then open Instagram again and check filters. And if nothing works, reinstall Instagram. Simply uninstall the app, restart your phone, install Instagram again and log back in. And here's the final fix. Try the saved effects trick. For that, open your Instagram and here open your story camera. Then swipe right to the end and here tap Browse Effects. Here you can search your filter again and tap Try It and then tap Save. And you can actually save it to your list of filters. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix Instagram filters not showing up. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Comment below what you want next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.